what I asked you to do. You have a chance here to check. Um, what you draw, whether there's a circle, a square, it's really a matter of preference. You can draw triangles, you can draw anything as long as you can show me that they're equally uh, cut up into whatever, fourths, thirds, halves. So if it's a fourth, circles are fine. So here's 3/4. Sorry, here's three, right? Three circles, three pizzas. Now cutting it up in fourth. So now here I want to give 1/4 to every person. So somebody gets this one, person A, person B, person C, person D, E, F, G, Harry, I don't know what name is I, L, H, I, J, Juan, K, Karen, L, Larry. So cada una, every person got 1/4, right? 1/4, 1/4, 1/4 for this person, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. So how many people, how many 1/4, ¿cuánto 1/4 existen dentro de 3? How many 1/4 exist inside of 3, right? And you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Let's draw a rectangle this way, just to change it a little bit. So I need 2, right? 2 chocolate bars. Let's cut them into thirds, right? So the bottom number says 3 pedazos. Let's cut them like that. So now I'm going to give it to people. So let's give it to Armir gets this one and this one, right? 2/3. Jeremy gets 2/3. And Jocelyn gets 2/3. Now this one's nice, right? So how many people? 1 person, 2 people, and 3 people. So 2/3. How many 2/3? ¿Cuántos 2/3 exist? Can we make? Podemos. How many 2/3 exist inside of 2? 3. That's not that bad. What's the next one? So for the next one, we need 4. Ugh, we need to cut into 5. So let's do 1, 2. I like circles, but I'll do rectangles because we haven't done too many. All right, and then we have 4, right? Enteros. We got cut into 5s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's start from the bottom. So Rachel, we're gonna give Rachel 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/5, right, for Rachel. Camila, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/5 to Camila. Jacqueline, JQ, Jacqueline, 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5. Okay. Sonam, 4/5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's pick Armir, 4/5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look at that. Everybody got 4/5. So 1 person, Rachel. Camila, 2. Jacqueline, 3. Sonam, 4. And Armir, 5. So 4 divided by 4/5. I can give it to 5 people, no problem. Okay. 3, 6. Okay, so let's do circles. 1, 2, 3. And now we have to cut into 6. So 6 is not that bad. We're gonna go like this. 6 pedazos. Right? So we're gonna give, we're gonna give 5, right? De 6, vamos a dar 5. So let's give this to Luis. 5 pieces. Then we're gonna give it to Jeremy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to give it to, who else hasn't gotten any? Let's just give it to Armir again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? And then let's give it to Sonam. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. Sonam needs to get 5, but he only gets 3. So let's circle. So Luis is 1 person. Jeremy's 2. And Armir's 3. So for sure, con seguridad, 3 people get it. And then to Sonam, we were supposed to give 5 to Sonam, right? Hemos que dar 5 a Sonam, pero le dimos 3 a Sonam. ¿De cuántos que quería dar ahí? De 5. De los 5 que quería dar a Sonam, I gave him 3. From the 5 that I wanted to give him, I gave him 3. Okay. All right, so let's do this one. Fifth. Fifth, I'm going to do squares, rectangles. So 1, 2, and then one more over here. 3. Cut down 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to give 2/5. This was 2/5. So hopefully we have enough. So let's give this to all the girls. Rachel, you get 2. Jacqueline, you get 2. Jaslyn, you get 2. Camila, you get 2. Any more girls in the class? That's it. Now let's give it to the boys. Luis, you get 2. Jeremy, you get 2. Stephen, you get 2. And Armir, you only get 1. So, how many people got 2/5? 1, 2, Jaslyn, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 people got 2/5. But Armir, he only got 1. 1 out of what? 1 out of 2. Okay, so 3 divided by 2/5 is 7.5. 2 divided by 3/7. Ugh, 7. So again, we draw. 7 is a difficult number to do in a circle, so that's why. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's give it to the teachers this time around. Mrs. Flager gets 3. Right? Miss Dable gets 3. Mr. Cho gets 3. Who's a social studies teacher? Oh, Miss Sani gets 3. And then to Miss Miller, our principal, the principal only gets 2. So how many people got 3? 1, 2, and then here's Mr. Cho is the third person. Miss Sani. So 4 people got. 4 personas cogieron 3/7, 3/7. Pero Miss Miller, la directora, a ella le dimos 2. ¿De cuántos que queríamos dar a ella? Le queríamos dar 3 pedazos, pero de 2 le dimos 2. ¿De cuántos? De 3 pedazos. Y ahí está tu respuesta. Okay, so algunos más. That's not that difficult, guys. All right, so 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is a half. Half, 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 half. So everybody gets a half. This person, Boris, Camila, Dennis, Frank, Gary, Hilda, and Maria. So, ¿cuántos half hay en 4 pizzas? Hay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No problem. Let's do pizza again. 1, 2, 3. Let's cut them into thirds. Right? And this time, cada persona cogen 2 pedazos de 3. So, Jeremy, you get 2. Jacqueline, you get 2. Jaslyn, you get 2. Camila, you get 2. And Rachel, we can't give you 2. So, how many people got 2? 1, Jacqueline 2, Jaslyn 3, Camila 4. So 4 people. But Rachel, we gave her 1 piece. ¿De cuánto? From how many? From 2. Okay, not too many more. All right, so let's try to finish this. So, ooh, this one's 8. Okay, so we can do, let's do box. I'm cutting to 8. Right? Aquí está. 8 pedazos. So, let's give this to Steven. 7 out of 8. De 8 le doy 7. Steven, 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 Steven. 7 pieces. Okay? And then I'm going to give it to Armir. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to give it to Rachel again. Rachel, Rachel. Rachel is a problem. So Steven and Armir, they were okay. So I give Sonam and Armir, so that's 2 people. But for Rachel, right, that's 1. And then Armir, that's 2. But for Rachel, I only gave Rachel 2. 2, how many did I want to give Rachel? I wanted to give her 7. So de 7 que le quería dar a Rachel, so le di 2. So 2 de los 7. Oh, this one's easy. 1 and 2/3 divided by 2/3. So let's give this to Jeremy. Jeremy gets this one, and Jeremy gets this one. And then Jacqueline only gets 1 piece. So 2/3. Who got 2/3? Oops. X. So Jeremy got 2/3. Right? So Jeremy got. So 1 person got 2/3, and then Jacqueline, she got 1, and we were trying to give Jacqueline 2 pieces, so we gave her 1 out of 2. Okay. Word problems. Hopefully you tried it. Okay. So here, she's trying to walk. A turtle wants to walk 3 miles, but per hour, he walks 3/5. How long did it take to walk 3 miles? So that's, okay, una tortuga quiso andar 3 millas y cada milla camina 3/5 de una milla. ¿Cuántas horas le duró para caminar las 3? Entonces, ¿cuántos de esos necesita para completar los 3? Okay, so 1, 2, 3. We gotta cut this in 5. So 5 es así, ¿no? Imaginen una persona saltando. So it's 3/5. So 3 pedacitos. So 1, una persona recibe esto. The second person will receive this one. Right? That's 2 people. I'm going to use colors. La tercera persona recibe 1, 2, 3. The next person gets 1, 2, 3. The next person gets 1, 2, 3. Oh, so that's nice. So how many different? We have 1. ¿Cuántos grupos? De 3/5. Tenemos 1. Let me use a different color. Let me use this. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 hours, the turtle walked 3 miles. So Andrea's making bracelets. She has 4 feet of string and she needs 2/3 of a foot for every bracelet. How many bracelets can she make? So Let me see if I can draw this. Here's a string, right? Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 feet of string. We're gonna cut this in thirds. 1, right? 1, 2, 3 pedazos. 3 pieces, 3 pieces, and 3 pieces. So she needs 2/3 to make a bracelet. No? So 1, 2 can make a bracelet. 1, 2, she 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 can make a bracelet. Y only dos, she can make a bracelet. How many bracelets can she make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the last question. Larry had 2 gallons of ice cream. Oh, dos galones de ice cream. So imagine you have 2 gallons of ice cream. I'm going to put ice cream like this. 1, 2, right? Tu vas al supermercado and you buy those big tubs of ice cream. And this is 9, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pwede guardar dos más. 9. So there was a party, había una fiesta, y cada uno gana. So we have 2 gallons divided for 2, 9. So every person, cada persona en la fiesta, cogete 2. So Alex, he gets 2. Barry, he gets 2. Charlie, he gets 2. David, he gets 2. Edward gets 2. Frank también coge 2. Lisa, you get 2. Jenny, you get 2. Okay, and then Paolo, he gets 2. Okay, so how many people can get ice cream? ¿Cuántas personas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 people. So 9 people y cada persona cogió 2/9. So 9 people get ice cream. All right, so hopefully the video helped for you. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow.